here's how to use the preheat and precool functions on your My Porsche app. First thing we're going to do is we're going to click into the preheat and precool button just here. From here, you can decide which sections of your car you'd like to be preheated or precooled, depending on what options you expect. You could decide what temperature you'd like it to be at as well. So I'm naturally quite cold all the time, so I'm going to keep that quite toasty, I think. And click Start Preheat and Precool there. Once you confirm, that's going to send that to your vehicle and start warming up my tyre can. You can also set a timer with this. So if you know you go to your car at 9 AM every single morning, if you click into the vehicle, go to Functions and Preheat Precool, you can add a timer. So let's say I know that I'd always set off at 8 AM in the morning. I'm going to click Repeat and have it so it happens every single day. And I'm going to make sure that the air conditioning is going to be set to a temperature I've just chosen before. And I also want to make sure my battery is sufficiently charged. So click Confirm. That timer is now saved in there. So every single morning at 8 AM, my car is going to be nice and toasty at 24 degrees and also have sufficient charge for the day. So that's how you use the preheat and precool function on your My Porsche app. Stay tuned for more tech tips.